Welcome to Winner Trend TV. Before we start the video, like, subscribe and share. Papaya fruit is widely known for its taste, nutrition, and health benefits, but not many people are aware of the immensely beneficial papaya seeds that are usually thrown away. These tiny round seeds are actually edible and are good for our health if consumed in a limited quantity. They help in weight management, relieve menstrual pain, and possess anti-cancer properties. They also boost our cardiovascular health and thus are considered as one of the best anti-inflammatory. The antioxidants and vitamins in papaya also prevent chronic inflammation. The choline content, for instance, helps to strengthen memory pathways and muscle development. It is also important for cell membrane integrity, nerve impulse transmission, fat absorption, and therefore fat-soluble vitamins absorption as well, and for good sleep. 2. Treats constipation. Papaya helps in digestion and improves in the bowel movement, which helps in passing stool easily. The fruit contains vitamin C, folate and vitamin E, which creates a tonic effect in the tummy and reduces motion sickness. 3. It improves digestion. Like other seeds, papaya seeds are a good source of fiber. Fiber moves through your gastrointestinal tract undigested, adding bulk to your stools to promote regularity. In fact, a review of 5 studies found that increasing fiber intake increased stool frequency in people with constipation. Upping your fiber intake may improve several other aspects of digestive health as well. Studies show that dietary fiber may protect against inflammatory bowel disease, relieve symptoms of hemorrhoids, and prevent the formation of intestinal ulcers. The fruit contains papain, which plays a vital role in the digestion of proteins in the body. Papaya is one of the best home remedies that treat irritable bowel syndrome and constipation. 4. Normalizes irregular periods. Drinking papaya juice can help normalize the irregular period. You can also drink the juice of raw papaya for irregular menstrual cycle. Papaya produces heat in the body and stimulates the hormone estrogen, which induces periods for women. 5. It fights inflammation. Papaya contains enzymes like chamapapain and papain, which reduces inflammation in the body. The antioxidants decreases the inflammatory markers in the body. Many diseases are caused due to chronic inflammation, and eating papaya will fight this inflammation. 6. May decrease fertility problems. Some animal studies have shown that papaya seeds may reduce fertility. For example, one study found that administering large doses of papaya seed extract to monkeys caused a condition called azoospermia, which is characterized by a lack of sperm in the semen. A rat study observed similar findings, reporting that papaya seed extract reduced both sperm count and sperm motility. Interestingly, researchers found that these changes were reversed within 45 days after stopping treatment. Note that these studies use a much higher dosage of papaya seeds than most people typically consume. Human studies are needed to look at how consuming papaya in the amounts typically found in the diet may affect fertility. 7. Papaya supports eye and skin health along with vitamin C. Papaya is high in beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that keeps your skin and eyes healthy. While carrots and tomatoes are popular produce selections when it comes to beta-carotene, papayas are also an excellent source. In a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, researchers report that the carotenoids in papaya are actually more bioavailable to humans than those found in carrots and tomatoes. For even better bioavailability and absorption of beta-carotenes, try pairing papaya with a healthy fat, such as avocado or olive oil. How to eat papaya seeds. Papaya is a glucose control. Again, diabetics are favorably influenced by the ingestion of papaya due to the low sugar and high fiber content of this fruit. It is able to help with the modification of the glycemic and lipidemic profiles of the patient, as well as the insulin secretion, thus restoring the metabolic picture back towards the normal end. To obtain the benefits of papaya seeds, you can eat them in various ways. You can chew 8 to 10 dried papaya seeds or crush them into powder form and add it to your food or smoothies and shakes. Another way to have papaya seeds is to grind them and prepare a paste. You can add honey or jaggery to the paste and have it. And so many recipes include papaya, such as papaya salsa, papaya jam, papaya smoothies, papaya relish, fruit bowls with papaya salads. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.